A is for avatar, your hero so bright, dressing up cool for a gaming fight. B is for boss, the biggest and tough, beat them with skill, you're strong and rough. C is for console, where games come alive, buttons to press, to jump, run and drive. D is for download, grab games with speed, from the internet, they're yours to feed. E is for experience, points that you gain, leveling up as you train and train. F is for FPS, fast shooting fun, first person view, the game has begun. G is for gamer, that's who you are, playing all day, near or far. H is for health, keep your life bar full, don't let it drop or it's game over dull. I is for inventory, items you hold, tools, potions and treasures, shiny and bold. J is for joystick, the controller you steer, moving your avatar far or near. K is for kill streak, a winning spree, many defeats in a row so fancy. L is for level, from easy to hard, complete all the stages and earn your reward. M is for multiplayer, playing with friends, team up together for epic ends. N is for NPC, characters you meet, non-player friends that help you compete. O is for online, playing worldwide, compete with players on every side. P is for power-up, boosts that you find, speed, strength or shields, super combined. Q is for quest, adventures you choose, complete the missions, no time to lose. R is for respawn, back in the game, after you lose, you come back again. S is for save, keep progress tight, so you can continue your gaming flight. T is for trophy, earned with pride, awards for the efforts you never hide. U is for upgrade, make gear brand new, better and stronger to conquer through. V is for victory, cheer and shout, you won the game, there's no doubt. W is for weapon, tools for the fight, swords, guns or spells glowing bright. X is for XP, points that you earn, leveling up with each win and turn. Y is for